In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall multiple apps at once on iPhone. So as we all know, in order for us to uninstall an app, you must press and hold on the app and click on the minus button on the top right there and click on the delete app. But in order for us to uninstall multiple apps at once, let's go ahead and go to the App Store. Just open up your App Store and go to the profile icon on the top right corner and go ahead and click on apps. So as you can see, we have all the apps right here. And in order for us to uninstall apps quickly, just scroll down or scroll to the left, drag it to the left, and you will see a hide right there. And what this does is it hides the app. Or if you have an app that is installed in your phone, just swipe left and you will see hide it also. And another way that we can do that also, let's go back and click on the profile icon again. And here you will see on the available updates, you can also do that. So just swipe left and you will see that there is a delete button. Just click on it and it will delete the app instantly without asking again. And that's about it. That's how to uninstall multiple apps at once on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.